Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to enable split screen, how to use split screen in Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to enable, you want to use, so how to use split screen one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, scroll it and open your phone tool setting. After tool setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Oppo mobile. Friends, in your Oppo mobile, click here split screen setting, and friends enable your split screen. After enable friends, how to split screen you can see in this video. So friends, open your YouTube app. After on YouTube app, swipe up with three finger, and friends now we will on phone setting. So friends, at one time you can use YouTube app, you can use your phone setting app in your device. So friends, I will connect Wi-Fi network. After connect Wi-Fi, and friends now with YouTube app friends we will use Google app. So like that friends, you can use two screen, Google app screen, YouTube app screen. And you don't want to use guys Google app, so friends you can remove it, you can add new app. Example friends, now we will on file app. So friends, you want to own file app with Google apps or YouTube app, so you can own and you can use it. And friends, you can adjust your screen from here. So like that friends, we can on split screen, we can use split screen in Oppo mobile. And friends, you don't want to use your Oppo mobile split screen setting, so friends open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, open your phone tool setting. After friends, phone tool setting, click here and scroll it. Friends, click here split screen setting, and friends off your split screen. After friends, you cannot use dual screen, you cannot use two screen. Friends, you can check if you on your file app. So friends, you cannot use dual screen, you cannot use split screen. Again you want to use, so friends you will have to on your split screen setting, then friends you can use Oppo mobile split screen. So friends, you want to use, again click here. After all, you can use dual screen in your Oppo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.